In a small village, an old woman had a clever parrot named Coco. Coco could mimic human speech and was loved by everyone. He often listened to the villagers' conversations and repeated what he heard. One day, the woman left Coco outside while she went to the market. A man passed by and mumbled, "The shopkeeper hides his gold under the floor." Coco, being curious, repeated the words loudly. A greedy thief overheard him and decided to steal the gold that night. That evening, the shopkeeper discovered his gold was missing. The villagers were shocked. When Coco repeated the words again, the shopkeeper realized what had happened. He understood the thief had heard Coco and acted on it. The old woman gently told Coco, "Words have power, and we must be careful about what we say." Coco felt guilty and promised to think before speaking. From that day on, Coco only spoke words of kindness and wisdom. Moral: think before you speak, as words can have unintended consequences. Thanks for watching.